Yo, what is up, learning machines? Welcome to this video. So in this video, I kind of wanted to rant about how to make $100,000 per month, like minimum in a way, because I make way more than that with sweepstake marketing. I've been doing that for the last few years now. It's called sweepstake marketing. You earn a commission every single time someone gives their email address and contact info. You get paid $1 to $3, all the way to $5 per conversion you get. And there's a lot of offers out here. And I mean, there's millions and millions of dollars per day happening. And so if per month you make $100,000, you can easily do that, because it's just so easy to get people converted on these offers. And if you build an email list of people that seek after giveaways and sweepstakes and freebie things, then, you win, because you can email blast to your list and promote these offers all the time. And there's new offers all the time for this niche. It's a massive, massive niche inside of affiliate marketing. So you can absolutely crush it. Now, let me talk about my experience and what's gotten me results, and I could share with you what I believe is the best route for you to take to get results. So my story goes like this when it comes to making money with sweepstake marketing. So at a young age, around 12, somewhere 12 to 15, I got a debit card with bank, and it was my first debit card, checking account, and all that. And I set up a Facebook ad account. Now, before this point in time, I believe I learned how to do website programming. And so I felt like I needed to make landing pages from scratch. And so I knew how to host them. I knew how to code everything from scratch, how to do everything from scratch. I'm talking technical. But now that ClickFunnels has arrived, I use ClickFunnels because it's more convenient and it's better. And it's just everything you need all in one place, super simple. And that's how you win. You save time and you use powerful tools to save time and get further faster. And so I use ClickFunnels for that. If there's a better software, I'm sure I'd switch, but ClickFunnels just keeps getting better, you know what I mean? And so what's the other thing is I basically made a simple landing page, that because with Facebook ads, you need to have a landing page. So I made a simple landing page and sent people to just one offer. After they click the ad, they go to the landing page, and then they go to the offer. And that's how I did it. And I couldn't get it profitable. It wouldn't work. So I kept trying different offers for a while doing that strategy, and I wasn't spending a lot of money. I'm sure I was spending $10 a day to learn on ads, and it's such a crazy learning experience. But it just makes me think back. I mean, I wish I knew the stuff I knew now back then, and I would have been way further. But the thing is, the learning curve is what the learning curve is. And if I could save you time on your learning curve, then that's amazing, you know, obviously. And so the next thing I moved on to, I think it was, I did a lot of Pinterest and Instagram, a lot of spammy methods. So I would basically follow and unfollow people on Instagram. I would post a lot of Pinterest pins. I don't think I got any results with that. But with Instagram, I think I got a few results. Then I would do this method where, this was maybe a little bit more down the road. I tried this method where, what was it? I went on sites like Craigslist, basically. I would make an ad, win a free iPhone or free iPhone giveaway type thing. And people would contact me because I would run it. I'd run it as a boosted listing for like $7 or $10, $15 to basically get seen by a lot more people in a specific city or area. And a bunch of people would see it, and a bunch of people would message. And then I'd have an automated message in place where I'd copy and paste it to whoever sent a message to me. And that method does work. And I think if you're overseas, the money can be good for you. If you're in the United States or any tier 1 countries or whatever, you're going to want to have a method that's more passive and more scalable and everything. And you could still do it in any country. I'm just saying, if you want to do spammy methods, which I don't recommend, you could still do Craigslist type methods and Facebook Marketplace type methods and whatever other type of website that has the buy and sell type stuff on it. And you can list a listing and pay for a little bit of advertising to boost it. You're going to make some money. I bet you'll make 2x return on your investment of $10 into boosting it. Maybe more money. But there's also a risk of getting shut down by doing that. But anyway, that's all my journey there. But the whole time after I was struggling, there was one point in my journey where I coded from scratch with a business partner. I made a blog / promoting, and that was my first ever commission with Amazon. Now, I don't really promote Amazon anymore. There are some crazy methods you could do for Amazon, but that's not what this video is about. If you want crazy methods, I recommend look at other videos on my YouTube channel, or you can go ahead and you can check out the Money Accelerator. The Money Accelerator has endless methods, always adding more value, and the knowledge inside is insane. Okay, so anyway, people are basically guaranteed to increase their skill level, their knowledge base, and from there on, most likely their income big time. Unless you're just completely stupid and don't know how to learn, which I'm sure everyone knows how to learn, and how to increase their knowledge and make more money. And making money should be simple as soon as you have a method, strategy, and you take action on it. But anyway, I did that Amazon thing, and after that, I started going all in on YouTube because I was like, where do I spend most of my time per day? I was like, I'm on YouTube all the time, all the flipping time. And so why not take advantage of this massive platform? It's basically the biggest content platform in the world, and Google's the biggest site in the world, and Google owns YouTube. And so I started making YouTube content and figuring that out, and I sucked at it, but I kept going. And then at the same time I was doing that, I started kind of documenting my journey just as a personal brand here, just sharing, because I think from Gary Vee or someone similar to Gary Vee I listened to, maybe it was Ty Lopez or someone, and they're like, document your journey, document your journey. And so I documented my journey of what I was doing affiliate marketing, my knowledge about affiliate marketing and all that stuff. And I had a horrible camera. I didn't care. I just documented. Nowadays, I'm doing way better for myself. I mean, 6 figures a month is a lot of money. And a lot of that comes from CPA marketing and AdSense revenue and just a bunch of affiliate marketing offers. And then I want to grow this personal brand, but this personal brand has been a side thing forever. And it's just so powerful to do. And I recommend, if you have a job, if you have anything you're doing in life, this is a big thing to recommend to anyone, is document what you're doing on a day-to-day basis. Anyone will find it interesting. Well, a percentage of people will find it interesting and follow you and check out what you recommend. And let's say you're doing Grubhub as your job. You could document your everyday Grubhub and make content doing that. You document your journey every day, kind of like a vlog, and figure out the keyword research of what people could be searching for, make content on that, and then be an affiliate for Grubhub and those type of platforms and DoorDash and stuff. Even if you're doing Uber, all these things, it doesn't matter if you're working a retail job or at a restaurant, you can make content for sure, some way, somehow you can, easily. And it's just more leverage for you. And that's how you can make money in your sleep, is by having content that you're making and it stays there and it grows for you, especially YouTube content. TikTok can get hidden and lost, same with Instagram and all those platforms, but YouTube stays forever. And so get into YouTube, y'all. This is the biggest shift that made me money in the very beginning and still does to this day, is YouTube. Go all in on YouTube. There's nothing better than YouTube. Trust me on that. It's crazy. And so what's the other thing? Is I slowly learned and from my mistakes and what I was doing correctly and everything. I was learning from other people, watching YouTube videos of people. I was going and buying courses. I was going to person events. I was just learning, and thinking, and testing, until I discovered what works. And what works is literally make a lot of content, especially in the beginning. See what works for you, what took off, what does well, and then double down on what does well for you, and you're going to crush it. Just double down, triple down on what works. And you could even make the same video you made before, but just a little different or more better. Just try to up the quality. And if you can do quality and quantity, always go for that. Because the more content you have, the better. And the more quality content you have, the better. And quality doesn't mean camera quality. Like, I could film in 4K for these personal brand videos here, but the reason I do it in HD is it's just more relatable and more simple, and it doesn't require much more at all. And so I like keeping that simple, okay? And plus, if I were to film in 4K, like, here's the thing with my big Cash Cow YouTube channel, I don't show my face. What I'm saying is, and most of those videos are filmed in 4K, but a lot of them are also filmed in HD, because it really doesn't matter. What matters is the content itself. It doesn't matter the camera quality. Audio does matter for sure. That's a very important thing. But anyway, if you've ever filmed yourself selfie style or whatever, you're gonna have it show way too much detail in your face. You really want people to see so much detail in your freaking face. So 4K quality is not the best for that type of stuff, is what I'm trying to say. But yeah, if you want to make money with sweepstake marketing, you want to do several different things. You want to have an email opt-in page, 1 or at least 3, and they got to be different. Like, let's say one is about, it's a duplicate landing page of an offer that's like an iPhone offer, win an iPhone offer. So you make your landing page, you collect emails there, then it redirects to to people just going to this offer of winning an iPhone. Then you have another landing page that it could be for people winning a cash giveaway. And so you have your opt-in page for them to win like $1,000 cash. Then they get redirected to an offer that gives away a $1,000 Visa gift card. Then you could do one that is a well-known brand, like could be Costco in the United States. It could be a big grocery store chain. It could be McDonald's, okay? A gift card of any sort. Amazon's well-known, so an Amazon gift card's a very good one to do. Those three are very, very good landing pages to do. That's what I have. Okay, but anyway, if you want to copy that. That's fine. You're going to build your email list, and eventually you're going to have so many people in your email list, you can email blast to your list, so everyone all at once, to a specific offer you want to promote that has no cap on it. Because some offers have a cap of 100 people per day. But you can promote an offer that has unlimited leads you can get. So let's say you send 200,000 leads and you get paid $2 per lead. You just got paid $400,000. Okay, that's the math there or whatever. That's crazy. You would have to have millions of people though in your email list. I don't have millions of people in my email list, but I have hundreds of thousands of people in my email list. I can get like 10,000 to 50,000 people, if I'm lucky, 50,000 people to convert on an offer. And you'll notice the offers that pay the least convert the highest, and the offers that pay more are harder to get people to convert on. So if it's a double opt-in offer where people have to confirm their email address, that can be harder to convert, but you'll get paid more. You'll get paid maybe $3 and more. And so that's really, 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 really good. I'm telling you, man. Now, the other thing is make so much content on YouTube that you've built it up so big at some point when you do. Let's say it's at like you have 1,000 uploads. And I don't recommend doing YouTube shorts. I recommend do YouTube content and entertainment content. What's entertainment content? It could be about celebrities, could be about funny things, it could be about pranks, it could be about whatever's trending at the time. And I recommend trends for sure when you're first started. Whatever's trendy, but not things that trend for a day, but things that trend for topics that trend for like months and months on months. Those are the ones you want to go after and make a lot of content for. And then you pivot when the next big thing is happening, a big trend. And so just make a lot of content doing that. And then at the same time, you mention, hey, there's giveaways. And then also don't just promote sweepstakes, promote other offers. Whatever niche you're in, you can always do sweepstakes though. So let's say you're inside the health niche. You could promote health offers, but at the same time, you can also have sweepstake offers at the same time, which is crazy, I know. But it's very, very advanced level just to understand that you could do that. It's not very, very hard to figure out, but you can. So you could be in the health niche, promote a bunch of health offers. Then at the same time you mention, hey guys, if you want to win any giveaways, I've got a bunch of giveaways down below. You can check out. These are third-party companies, and you have a high chance of winning. The more you enter to win, the more of these offers and companies you enter to win with, the more of a higher chance you have of winning. And so you say that to people, and you're going to get a percentage of people that will convert on every single one of these offers, okay? And so that's what I call an offer wall. So in your YouTube description, you have a link that sends people to a website of yours that just links to a bunch of sweepstakes. And you basically say in the headline of that website, you can basically say, the more offers you opt in for, the higher chance you have of winning something, okay? So that's very, very powerful to do, and you'll get a lot of people converting every day. Like while I'm talking right now, I'm sure I got freaking 50 people to convert on an offer, I'm sure, or multiple offers. Some of those people, multiple offers. And so that's just crazy. And that happens all day long. People convert on these offers for $1 to $3 freaking all day long, man, and night. And there's no better freeing feeling than that. And also I get paid, and you will get paid AdSense revenue. So ads running on your videos all the time adds up. And when all your YouTube descriptions are linking to your website and your opt-in pages, and then they're going to link to landing pages that then link to really good high converting offers you want to promote, people are going to click these links all day long. And if all your YouTube descriptions are the same in all your videos, all these videos are added up and working for you, and all of them get views per day. And they're all linking to the same stuff. And this is why having so much content is so key. And so if I were to recommend, as we come to a close here, if I were to recommend something for you, I would 100% recommend doing YouTube. Making a bunch of content on YouTube to crush it with sweepstake marketing. But there is one other thing to mention before I actually close off, if you want to do it. And there's been times I've done this, which is you can boost your content with paid ads on whatever native platform you're on. Let's say you're doing a bunch of Snapchat content. Actually, I wouldn't even recommend doing that. And then you boost the Snapchat content, I was going to say. But if you are doing YouTube, this is what I've done, okay? And I haven't done this in a long time, boosting content with YouTube for my big entertainment channel, because it's so big at this point, it doesn't matter for me to boost the content. But there's been times in the beginning I did. And what you can do is you'll know what your best content is. It either has a lot of engagement or it has a high subscriber ratio, views to subscribers. And so you run it as an ad, you just boost it, and you boost it as a discovery ad. You go into Google AdWords and you run it as a video ad, discovery ad. I don't know how to say it. It's super simple. And then you just target people who would be interested in whatever the video topic is about. And that's how you can grow a little bit faster and spend money to make money. Now, if you want to go the route of like paid ads, spend money to make money with sweepstake marketing, it's usually very hard to do, because in this world where advertising costs a little more than when it first all started, you got to be able to spend the most to acquire conversions and customers and everything like that. And so the only way to do that is to have a lot of ways to monetize and make money. And so the key there, for sure, is have a lot of offers. And you can't really do that with paid ads when you're trying to flip cash quick, unless the offer is just so good and you've tested so much and just know exactly what to target and what works. And that takes a high budget. That takes, like, in my opinion, 10 grand. That's what I usually test with adult marketing and sweepstake marketing. But I haven't done paid ads with sweepstake marketing for a long time. The only paid ads I've done this year is you could do adult marketing, okay, based off my experience, this is what I'm doing. Adult marketing, or you can do boosting your YouTube videos for a personal brand. So that's kind of what I've done for paid ads. And then what's another thing I've done? I don't think I've really done anything else regarding paid ads. Oh, other than the golden ticket method, which the golden ticket method is you use pop under marketing to boost high CPM videos of yours, to basically, per 1,000 views, you earn a lot of money just from AdSense revenue. And this is the cheapest traffic in the world. It's called pop under marketing. And it's just the cheapest traffic, because what happens is you'll pay a few bucks, sometimes less, sometimes more. I go for the quality of the 1,000 people. But anyway, what happens is someone's browsing on a browser and they'll click anything and then a tab will pop under their tab and it'll link directly to your thing, and they will literally go to your website. They don't have to click on an ad to go to their website. They're clicking something random on a website, and then they're ending up on a web page. And so that could be your YouTube video, and you earn a lot of high CPM on that video. I do this once a week, that method. Okay, so those are the 3 things I've done this year so far, which is paid marketing. So take what you will from that, but like I get a lot of results just from doing that. And my knowledge about paid ads is, if you're doing content, anything related to content marketing, and you have an online business of any sort, and it's something you're going in for the long term, that's when paid ads has a higher ROI and return on investment, is when you have an online business and you're just trying to grow it with paid marketing, because customers will then last forever. But if you're doing affiliate marketing and doing paid ads, you make a conversion and a commission on someone, and then they're gone forever, unless you're collecting emails, or unless you have a long-term online business and you're just promoting affiliate offers in that online business's niche that you're doing. And then on the front end, you're promoting affiliate offers to bring people in and build an email list, and you push people over to your, whatever your online business may be that you're doing. And so that's very effective. But yeah, hopefully this helps you guys know how to make money with sweepstake marketing. I really recommend keep it simple, do free content methods, which is mainly YouTube, and you can go on to other platforms and repurpose your content there that you're doing. But make original content, be different, stand out, take advantage of big trends that are happening. That's a great way to succeed and make good money. And if you want to do TikTok. I can see how that can work, but you can only have one link in the description, in the bio. And so make sure your links either linked to an opt-in page or an offer wall, or just to a landing page to a really good sweepstake offer, okay? And you're going to crush it. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out, learning machines. Peace!